He died! Oh, and he's dropping loot for the commentator. I'm going to drop some ammo for everyone. And there he goes. I'm out. Ah, do one. I am not dying here. No. The Raider is just escorting the commentator home. What a guy. Just keep an eye on the commentator's back. Until we've got a wasp over to our right here. Just gonna put some shots in on him. Got 2 minutes to extract. Oh no, the Raider in blue's been seen by the spotter. There he is, he's still running. I think we're gonna get out. I'm gonna die, but I'm gonna extract for us. And the Raider got the extraction off.